Hi guys, as usual, make sure your drawing sheet is in the A3 size. Before we go into 3D modeling, just draw a few shapes for a better view. Here, I have a circle, a rectangular, and a polygon. Then, go here to select different workspace. Beside drafting, you have 3D basic and 3D modeling workspace. For now, just select 3D modeling workspace. In this workspace, you have different tab functions for 3D modeling. We will go in detail about the functions in the next video. Now, hover your mouse here. You can see some words, right? It is hard to read the words because of our background color is black. So, we can change our background color for easier to read. First, click the AutoCAD symbol here and select option. In the display tab, click color. Then, make sure you choose 3D model space, uniform background, and the color is white. Now you can see in the preview that the background is in white color. Just click apply, apply again, and OK. Now you can read the words. This is actually the view style control and view control. For the view control, you can set from which angle you want to see your 3D object later. For example, this is the southwest isometric view. And this is the southeast isometric view. Northeast isometric view. Or you can choose the top view for standard 2D view. In the top right corner, you have the view cube. Its function is similar to the view control. Just click any surface or edge of the cube to get the desired view. Now, let's convert our 2D shapes into 3D objects. We will use extrude function that will give a height or thickness for any 2D shape. Remember, every time you select a function, always read the command line for the specific inputs. In this video, I just select the object and drag it to a certain height. After converting 2D into 3D objects, select free orbit here to see your 3D object by rotating the view. You can change the view style of the 3D objects at the view style control with more realistic visual.